Hey India, are you ordering at your office the food from outside? Well, today's video is all about how you can order healthier if you can't carry a tiffin box to work. So you see, today I've ordered from a healthy restaurant. My first tip to you, when you order, find out the best restaurants around you that will serve you healthy, low oil, portion control, and probably more vegetable and more protein. So I'm going to create a list of restaurants around your office space from which you can order healthier meals. Now check out my meal today. I've ordered a brilliant meal which has got my protein in it. It's got my salad in it, some zucchini, which is going to give me a lot of fiber, and they've got beetroot. Beetroot is one of my favorites because it reduces blood pressure and calms you during work. Now, the biggest issue I have with this healthy meal that I've ordered is the amount of rice or roti that they will send. You and I are not laborers. We are desk jockeys. We use our brain. We don't do much of physical movement. So much of rice is not required. So I tell every person going to work, you need to carry two of this in your laptop bag or your knapsack. One is a fruit peeler, one is a bowl. The bowl should be designed for your carbohydrate content, your oats intake, your cornflake content. Keep this as your portion measure and carry it to work. This is my bowl of rice. I put about 6 tablespoons of rice in this, and the rest of the rice, I've got a secret. I share my ordered meal with my colleague. So India, half your portion meal by sharing it with your colleague. So these are some of the quick tips that you could do. Do not drink water before your meal in copious quantities. Take a small sip of 50 ml. During your meal, try to reduce the amount of water taken so the acid in your stomach can help break down the food and digest it. My quick tip to India, eat early lunch, finish it off in 10 to 15 minutes, and then take a break of half an hour relaxing. Normally watch some videos, my podcast, or I read the newspaper. You need time to let that food digest. Also, please don't eat standing up. Please sit down. And if you can sit in a corner cross-legged in the ancient tradition way, that's even better, where you have to bend over to eat your food, which helps in allowing you not to eat too much. If you have more ideas on how you can make your recipes healthier, share them with me or comment below what are the healthier recipes that you take to work. And I, on my hand, will send you a few healthy lunch recipe options that you can pack from home. So today, let's deep dive into my healthy lunch ordered from out. Now, first things first, this is a lot of rice. So I'm going to do a portion control by taking out only what I want to eat, which is about 6 to 8 tablespoons of rice for my height and weight. Now, if you do not know your body fat percentage and your weight, come to us at the Collagen Nutrition Clinics and I'll arrange for you to get your body assessment done. Now, I know that my visceral fat is at 4, and if I eat all of this rice for 1 year, my visceral fat is going to go up by 3 points, my body age is going to go up by 5 years. So portion control with a bowl is very important. So that's the amount of rice that I'm actually going to eat. But more importantly, my mouth's actually watering right now as I'm looking forward to having the chicken breast. That's my protein. That's ideal. On a fat loss program, I would do only the chicken breast, no carbohydrates, and I would do my salad with tomatoes, cucumber, and zucchini and the beetroot. Now, curries normally give you a little bit of mouth flavor because when you eat rice, you need a curry along with it. But both the carbohydrates and the curry will be a weight gain program for you. So if you can avoid that at the lunchtime, what I would do is I would do a 3 tablespoon drizzle for the amount of rice that I eat for my body weight. So if you're a 100 kg guy, well, you would do half of this if you had to lose weight. But if you're a 50 kg woman, you would do 4 tablespoons of rice and 2 tablespoons of curry. Now you get it. What's happening over here is when the restaurants send food to you, they have a standardized portion. And that's why you're putting on weight at work, because you're eating food from outside, maybe not a healthy restaurant, maybe a healthy restaurant. And even this from a healthy restaurant, this is equivalent for a 90 kg man. And I am only 70 kgs. So that 20 kgs, the food that is coming to feed that extra person is causing me to gain weight. So portion control. I also want to talk to you about why I carry a fruit peeler. You see, I feel hungry at 11 o'clock and 5 o'clock in the evening. And that's when you can order samosa, batata vada, kachori, chai, biscuits. Instead, Carry an apple with you. Take a fruit peeler, peel the skin, because when you peel the skin, it's got a wax coating. The apple is going to fill you. It's low calorie, low glycemic index, a great way to keep your brain getting a little bit of fruit sugars to function very well in the office but not have weight gain. A lot of you are doing 2 cups of tea, 3 cups of coffee a day with milk and sugar. That's 5 kg weight gain. Reduce that to black tea or black coffee without sugar. And better still, if you don't want any of these, just have sparkling water or soda water. And I've always seen that when I feel a little sluggish, having a little cold water wakes me up. These are few of my tips, and this is what I would recommend for India to do when you're ordering outside. Hey, and if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share this video with your loved ones. And if you want a personalized diet office plan, the link is in the description where you can reach out to me or my team at the Nutrition Clinics.